Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the new Lectric XP 2.0 Lite, the latest update to their most affordable folding e-bike, and guess what? They've kept the price at just $799. I've been testing this bike for a few weeks now, using it for my daily commute and weekend adventures. Let's talk about what's new and whether it's worth your money. The XP2 Lite keeps that convenient folding design I loved from the original. The handlebars fold to the side, the frame folds in the middle, perfect if you're tight on space. Let's talk power. The new model still has a 300-watt motor, but they've boosted the peak power from 720 watts to 819 watts. That might not sound like much on paper, but I've definitely felt the difference when climbing hills. Speaking of hills, I tested this bike on a steep 16% grade that gave the old model some trouble. The new version handled it noticeably better. That extra peak power really kicks in when you need it most. Battery life has improved too. The standard battery now gives you about 45 miles of range, up from 40 on the old model. I've been averaging around 42 miles with mixed riding, some hills, some flat roads, switching between different assist levels. If you need more range, there's a bigger battery option for an extra $200 that'll take you up to 80 miles. Oh, quick side note, if you're finding this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe and drop a like. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Okay, back to the video. The new model is slightly heavier though, 49 pounds compared to 46 on the original, but it still handles the same 275-pound weight capacity. One of the first things you'll notice is this gorgeous color display. It's a huge upgrade from the basic indicator lights on the previous model and gives a much more premium feel. Lectric now offers 4 color options, including this purple I'm riding. They've also switched from a T-shaped handlebar to this BMX style one, which I find more comfortable on longer rides. The grips are more ergonomic now too, much better than the basic ones on the old model. The saddle has less padding but looks sleeker with that glossy Lectric lettering. I do sometimes miss the extra cushioning from the old seat, especially on longer rides. The lighting system is dramatically improved. The headlight is bigger and much brighter, and the tail light is significantly better too. There's now a flashing mode for better visibility. Just hold down the plus button when the lights are on. This flashing mode has been great for early morning and evening rides. Like the original, this is a single-speed bike, keeping things simple. But now for an extra $100 you can get a belt drive instead of a chain, quieter and less maintenance. The tires have changed too. The old model had all-terrain tires, while this one comes with slick tires. They're better for efficiency on pavement, but if you ride off-road a lot, you might miss the extra grip. Both come filled with slime for about 6 months of puncture resistance. This has already saved me from at least one flat. Now for what I think is the biggest upgrade. Hydraulic brakes instead of mechanical disc brakes. The difference is night and day. Stopping power is outstanding, with much less effort. This alone would make me choose the new model, especially for city riding with frequent stops. After putting about 200 miles on this bike, I'm genuinely impressed with what Lectric has done here. My daily commute is about 8 miles round trip with some decent hills, and this handles it effortlessly. The folding mechanism is reliable, though it takes a little practice to fold. I've been able to fit it in my apartment elevator and even in my friend's SUV trunk. So what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, the higher peak power gives you better hill climbing. You get increased range, 45 miles standard, up to 80 with the upgraded battery. There are more color options now. The color display is excellent. The lighting system's much improved. You've got the optional belt drive. The grips are more comfortable. And those hydraulic brakes are an absolute game changer at this price point. On the downside, it's slightly heavier than before. The rear tire size options are limited. The saddle isn't as padded, and the slick tires aren't ideal if you ride off-road a lot. After spending considerable time with the Lectric XP 2.0 Lite, I think it offers tremendous value at $799. Lectric has made thoughtful upgrades to an already solid e-bike, focusing on important areas like braking, hill climbing, and visibility. Is it perfect? No, the increased weight, less padded saddle, and road-focused tires might not work for everyone. But for commuters, casual riders, or anyone looking for an affordable entry into e-bikes, it's hard to find a better option at this price. The hydraulic brakes alone make this worth upgrading from the previous model. When you add in the improved motor performance and display, the XP 2.0 Lite is a significant step forward while keeping that same affordable price tag. If you're deciding between this and the original model, I definitely recommend this newer version. The upgrades make a real difference in the riding experience. So the question is, do you think it's worth the $799 price tag? Or is there a better one out there with more value at that price? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you think about this. Thanks for watching. Drop any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-bike reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.